Hellcat.
A range of new motorcycles are set to be launched by the end of this year across adventurous segment, which will help to bring the manufacturers back on track. While the Indian automotive industry is currently going through one of the most disturbing times, the future looks bring since a host of manufacturers are planning to launch new vehicles in the country soon. This includes not only cars but two-wheelers as well. On number 4, we are going to discuss about the Suzuki 250 Adventure. Suzuki is planning to enter the ever-growing small-capacity adventure tourer segment with a 250cc motorcycle, and we cannot for the Japanese automaker to confirm the news. Instead of developing an all-new bikes, we expect Suzuki to bring the v-stom 250 Adventure to the market. After making some country-specific changes, Suzuki already offers the v-stom 1000 and the v-stom 650 XT in the Indian market. But the smaller capacity adventurous bike will help it attract a wider group of audience. On the styling front, the foreign-specific v-stom 250 looks similar to the aforementioned adventurous sold in India. This specific model could make the use of slightly altered version of the Gixxer 250cc fuel-injected, oil-cooled motor that is rated at 26.1 HP per 22.2 Nm. On the Gixxer, the engine comes mated with a 6-speed transmission, and the expected price of this bike is Rs 2 lakh. On number 2, we are going to discuss about the KTM 250 Adventure. Just like the recently launched KTM 390 Adventure, the two-wheeler manufacturer is planning to another tourer motorcycle in India, which will be lower capacity version of the former. KTM will be using the 250 Duke platform for the bikes, which will help the Austrian automakers price the motorcycle aggressively. The 390 Adventure's steel trellis frame, subframe and the alloy wheels could be carried over to the smaller motorcycle, but a few premium features like an LED headlamp, quick shifter, concerning ABS and traction control system could be let go. In order to keep the price in check, powering the Adventurous will be 250 Duke's 248.8cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder motor that puts out 30 HP power and 24 Nm torque. KTM will likely price it around Rs 2.5 lakhs market, which will help the automaker attract a wider group of audience. A launch is expected to take place later this year. From here, we are going to talk about our third bike, Hero Expulse 300. As of now, the Hero Expulse 200 is the most pocket-friendly adventure touring bike one can purchase it in the country, since it is priced at just Rs 1.6 lakhs ex-showroom, while the X Plus is the great at what it is expected to do, that is serve a proper tourer for new bikers. The 199.6cc oil-cooled single-cylinder engine producing 17.8 HP power and 16.45 Nm feel too small for the rest. With the growing trend of adventurous bike in India, Hero is likely to launch a higher capacity version of Expulse 200. Features like TFT digital display, smartphone Bluetooth connectivity, 10x10 navigation and the full LED headlamp will be on offer. Powering the bikes could a 300cc single-cylinder liquid cooling motor mated to a 6-speed transmission. The said motor could have a power output of around 30 HP and 30 Nm peak torque rating. At this note, I am ending my video. I hope you all liked my video. So do not forget to comment, like and subscribe my YouTube channel.